Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVGR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above 61 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 61, I am not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above there, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, if the price could stay above 61, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into Monday? Initial area of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be right up there at those previous highs from, let's see, when was that? Back in late April there, up at basically 64.5 cents, and that's essentially right where the price was rejected from today. So that actually makes really good logical sense why the price did struggle up around there. So that'll be the key level going into Monday. But all in all, resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what this chart has started to do with the price or with the lows, and that is right here. As long as these lows keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, then that's the name of the game. Given enough time, everything else will take care of itself. So just focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on building higher lows, and then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.